Language is expressive. Among the different functions of language, it is one. So verbal communication helps us meet various needs through our ability to express ourselves. So we ask questions, we describe things, peoples, objects, ideas. So this is all possible through verbal communication. So it also helps us to inform others. It also helps us to persuade others. And it also helps us to entertain others. So these are the basic purpose of verbal communication. At its essence, language is expressive. So through verbal communication, we express our observation, we express our thoughts, we express our feelings, we express our needs. So this is possible only through verbal communication. So this verbal communication helps us to express our observation. So what is observation? Observation means we have eyewitness something and we have seen something and we explain it. So basically when we talk about expressing observation, we mean that we narrate an event or people or anything like that, the way we have eyewitness them, the way we have seen them, the way we have heard them. We do not mix anything of our opinion or our thought into it. So basically it's our sensory experience or memories. So we use sense, we see something and we hear something, we feel we touch something and we explain the way we have seen it or touched it or smelt it or using any other sense of ourselves. So it may be our memories, we may be relating our visit to any certain place. So this is all aspects of observation. So for example, Pauline asked me to bring this file to you. So this is something of the observation. This is a factual thing that you are narrating to somebody, that somebody asks you to do something. So whenever you are using this, you are expressing language for the purpose of for expressing observation. Second thing we express through language is thought. Thought, what we think of certain things. So basically conclusion about or judgment of experiences and observation. So this is the ingredient of our thought. We observe things and then we make evaluate them and then we interpret them. So all this process is known as our thought. So our thought are expressed on the basis of our observation and evaluation, right? So for example, when you make such a sentence, students today have much less respect for authorities. So this is what you have seen among the students as teacher, let's say, and then you have made opinion that students of today are not as respectful as they used to be or in your own times. So this is your own thought. Maybe somebody else disagrees with you. So this is your thought and that will be his thought. Another thing that we express through verbal communication is feelings, right? Communicate our emotion. We communicate our emotion through feeling. The way we feel about things. Expressing feeling is very difficult. This is the hardest part of verbal communication when we express our feelings. Beside that, it also varies from nationality and nationality to nationalities and culture to culture. Even it varies gender to gender. It is how we feel about something and what we feel about something. Similarly, to convey feelings is found different in men and different in women, or even among young people. Young people generally express our feelings very straightforwardly. However, men are not as frank or open to express their feelings. So expressing feeling is a very difficult part of verbal communication. So I feel at peace when we are together. So such a sentence, such an utterance express that you are conveying your feelings to someone. Another thing of language expression is need. What we need mean what we want, what we lack, right? So stating wants are requesting help or support. So this is very important. If we are we need something, we require something, we are supposed to express this to other. For example, if you want somebody to give you a favor, for example, please pass me this glass on, right? So even in this case, you are expressing the need expressing the need to other to pass on the glass to you. Or there can be many other examples. Sometimes they can be within the sentence, where they can be intrinsic, right? Not very overt. So stating wants or request is expressing your need. So, for example, if you make such a sentence, I'm saving money for summer vacation. Is it okay if we skip our regular night outs this week? Right? So, if you say such a sentence, it means that you are expressing your need to someone, that the someone should listen to your request and give you favor in that regard. So we use language for different functions, different purposes, and we use language to express our feelings, our thoughts, our needs, and our observations.